So Thursday morning in Osaka, and we're waiting for our bullet train to Kyoto, which will be quick in two ways. One, it's ridiculously fast. A travel that will take about 45-50 minutes from Osaka to Kyoto is only going to take us about 10 to 15 minutes on the bullet train, and we just wanted to go on the bullet train anyway, so this one's in the station at the moment. I think our one is due in about 10-15 minutes, so yeah, I hope we get some footage of the train coming in, and then we'll get on.
So I chose one that has Thomas, and I chose one which is more classic.
And Mummy, which ones have you got? You got lots of Thomas? You got lots of Thomas?
Yeah.
And just like that, we're in Kyoto in about 12 minutes. 160, 170 miles an hour.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so cute. Yeah, I've seen it. It's so cool.
Yeah. Well, it starts like that when it
Really cool.
we made it to the bamboo forest in Kyoto.
Oh, this is so amazing.
Happy, Mummy?
Everything's so tall.
It's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we just arrived Kyoto, short train ride and a walk.
It was really fast, by the way.
It was, wasn't it? Really quick bullet train.
But there's lots of fun.
Yeah, now we're at the bamboo forest.
There's lots of fun.
Very cool, very peaceful.
Even the trees are swirling.
Bit touristy, like us. Well, maybe if they're ready. They're clearing the forest. Yeah.
You took down a nice tree one. So we maybe go to phase to green. So if you do that.
So cool, so cool. So here in the bamboo forest, got told off crossing the railway for taking a picture. Whoops. Naughty tourist.
The train was coming.
Yeah, but I think it was me getting off the
Knocking bamboo.
You're knocking bamboo?
Yeah. To see how
Yeah. Super cool. Like, they are so tall, look. But yeah. Pretty cool bamboo forest. This is just out
one's even taller.
on the outskirts of Kyoto. Yeah, short little train journey to get here, and then we're going to go to the 100 Tori Gate temple as well, hopefully. This is cool so far. That particular one.
No, it's all of
That's super
green
lucky,
ones.
Molly.
All of the green ones are very lucky. All the beige ones are not so lucky because then they get turned into souvenirs. The green ones mostly turn into pots and fancy caps.
Fancy caps.
Fancy
Fancy caps. Oh, that's cool with the sun. one you're flipping, darling? Right. You have to stay on the path, or at least. Here you go, Ella. This is what you should have, our dog. Mummy will kill it, I think.
Why not going to kill him all the way?
Mummy doesn't do it on purpose, Mum. Things just die around her. Mummy sometimes kills it with kindness. Stay down. Oh yeah, we love good sort of stuff. Not compared to going up the mountain up there. They'll be coming down. Come on, Ollie. Come on, Ollie. Hang up, here's the 10-foot top left. That must be where that stream comes down. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Very nice. I'm patient, I just like to know what's going on. Please be patient. We're just crossing over Togeshucho Bridge in Kyoto. Glad we've done the bamboo forest early this morning because it's now got really busy. But the views here are absolutely spectacular. We're just going to walk over to the other side of the river where there's lots of cherry blossom out here as well. Cherry blossom seems to have, over the last couple of days, just sprung up really a lot. So yeah, some great, amazing scenery. So let's go and have a look at the cherry blossom along here in Kyoto. do that on the way back, darling. Undo it all.
Yeah, hopefully.
They have different licenses on from different people, and different. You can pay to have your writing on what you want on this as well.
Let's see your name.
Oh, I don't know. Full stop signs. This one. Why is there this level? Okay, so where are we, Molly?
We're in Kyoto again to see the Thousand Gates, and we've walked through a couple, and they were great. We saw that people can put their praising on there, and we stopped here, had some snacks,
Snacks, so we're in Kyoto for the 100 or 1,000 Tori gates,
the Thousand Gates.
and there is so many of them. Sun's nice, still in Kyoto, and gonna be here till about 6 o'clock when we get the bullet train back. And it's been good so far. Weather's really nice.
The Tori Gate.
Having a little bell.
Same song.